Westermans here with a 500 kilo road tilt welding positioner, which is manual tilt, single phase. Table diameter on this is 900 on the faceplate. More details available from westermans.com. The machine itself is being sold as seen, or can be serviced to order or refurbished to order. A quick function test to make sure the actual machine is actually rotating as it should do, with the foot control. Rotation in one direction, rotation in the other direction, which is also variable speed. If serviced, machine will come with warranty. Sold as seen. Machine is literally sold as you see it there. More details available on Westermans, like I say, or on other welding positioners or rotators that are in stock. Thank you for looking.